Hello, we are Cave. I'm Cooper, Jeremy, Rex, Dan, Rob. And this is the song The Ride for the Bad Bon songbook. It's in E, and it's based off of a rhythmic pattern, and it goes like this. It's an easy one.